Okay, hi guys, this is Hussein from EFXCO. We are continuing again with our expert series of workshops, and this time we are privileged to have En Ammar from WAU Animation. He was also one of the artists for the movie called Agent Ali. Okay, so he conducted a workshop today, and we like to also ask him a couple of questions about how he got into the business and what is his responsibilities as an artist. Okay, so Ammar, welcome to the short interview, and firstly, congratulations for whatever Agent Ali has got, great review, and also very hit the box office and all that stuff. Yeah, and thank you again for being here and doing the workshop today. So I would like to know a bit of your background. Okay. So maybe you can start by telling us how you started becoming a digital painting artist, or we call it a matte painter.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I started digital painting since 2011. It was my diploma year. It was a digital illustration class, so that was my first time painted in digital software, using digital software. Okay. So
where did you study?
Oh yeah, okay, sorry. I studied UiTM.
In UiTM?
Yes,
okay.
UiTM.
So was like, what was the first software you start playing with?
Photoshop.
Photoshop,
yes.
Okay, so that's your favorite software that you start playing with. During your workshop, I see that you do a lot of concept arts and all that. It looks very, very nice. And what made you want to become a concept artist instead of maybe a 3D artist or a compositor? What made you the interest of becoming a concept artist instead of the others?
That is, my passion is in illustration since I was very young. I think probably when I was 5 or 6 years old, and I always join colouring contest and something yang macam tu lah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
So dari situ dia evolve jadi sangat suka untuk melukis. Okay. So and my favourite subject is environment. So I like to build my own world dalam, instead of doing lukis karakter, saya lebih suka lukis dunia tu lah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you dalam dunia sendiri lah. You can create your own. You can create your environment, your own world lah.
Yeah.
Okay. How long did you for you to study to become as good as what you showed us today? How long does it take to become something at your level?
It took me years of hard work.
Hard work, eh?
Yes.
And how often do you practice? Do you like practice every day?
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Waktu dulu baru awal start tu, every day I spend at least 15 hours a day.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, every day.
Every day, yeah?
Yes.
Wow, that's a lot. So I can see that in your what you show in the workshop just now. It's awesome. It's very nice. Yeah. To me, it looks like as if it's international standard. And I think the movie Agent Ali also looks like as if it's done by an international company. Yeah. So there's a lot of local artists which is actually they are very, very good, but they actually a bit more shy to share their knowledge diorang lah kan. Okay. So satu lagi nak tanya, what would you recommend people to do to become, because out there we have people who are interested in becoming a creative artist, and how would you advise them on what to do, where to go and learn stuff? Macam mana? You boleh bagi pointers kat diorang tak?
Boleh. Sekarang ni benda-benda macam ni kita boleh learn by taking online courses je.
Okay.
Dekat YouTube ada sangat banyak yang professional artist tunjuk demo for free. So diorang tak perlu bayar pun, at least diorang dah dapat basic yang diorang boleh start. So daripada basic knowledge tu, then dia boleh grow sendiri lah. Okay. Dan dia boleh cari material tu semua online available, tak ada masalah.
Yeah, that's a good answer. Tapi sometimes budak ni kan dia masalah sikit, benda free tu macam dia orang ada benda tu kat sana tapi they still don't utilize that, that availability lah. So what would you want to advise them? Macam how would you advise them, look, this thing is available and you have to push yourself to get it done? What motivation can you give them? Apa motivasi yang kita boleh bagi kat diorang? So diorang akan pergi cari benda-benda macam ni.
Okay. So nak sembang pasal motivation ni susah sikit. Dia perlu ada determination. Yes, kalau dia nak, dan dia akan nak.
Passion lah.
Yes,
passion for that particular thing that you want to do kan. Okay, good. What part of the movie Agent Ali yang you were so thrilled to be working with in? Which part yang you memang you minat sekali?
Okay.
Or which part excited you the most?
Satu scene chasing scene kat bandar tu. And then Mata HQ. Mata HQ sepatutnya lagi grand dan lagi besar, tapi kita tak dapat nak tunjuk tu sebab masa lah. Tak cukup masa untuk tunjuk semua benda.
I see.
Yeah.
So would you say that banyak benda daripada yang konsep art tak masuk dalam movie?
Yeah.
Tak masuk kan? Sebab because of time constraint that you have to do render things fast and get it out to become a movie lah. How do you come up with an idea? Macam you buat konsep art, I tengok tadi you buat tadi memang cantik. But how do you come up with an idea of which angle that you want to show people, or the idea of how to start the concept, you know? Of course, sometimes the first thing to start is the most difficult. Once you're already going at it, dah okay lah kan? So macam mana nak mula-mula you start tu macam mana? How do you get inspiration?
Satu from movies lah. Banyak gila tengok movies. And then cara lain is mungkin boleh baca novel, komik. Tu semua benda-benda yang inspire. Kadang artis ni dia ada benda yang dia punya kerja tu boleh buat orang ingat, dia melekat dalam kepala. So kadang kita akan teringat, kita akan try replicate benda yang sama tapi in our own version lah.
So can you tell us what one of some of your favorite movies are?
Okay, kalau science fiction, Avatar Pandora tu, Avatar Navi, and fantasy, Lord of the Rings.
Lord of the Rings, yes. Okay, what about comics? Do you refer to any comic books ke?
Comic books, I guess satu benda yang best is daripada Creature Box lah. Creature Box punya art style sangat I call it crispy, dia punya line work dia sangat. Okay.
So who's your favorite Marvel hero?
Marvel hero, Spider-Man,
okay. Because sometimes these things they creep into your own design kan. You like that character or that particular movie so much, it creeps it into it shows in your work actually lah. So in Agent Ali, what is your main responsibility? What are you responsible for in WAU Animation?
Okay.
What are you exactly there? Are you a supervisor ke? You're
okay. I'm a concept artist dekat WAU. And concept artist dekat WAU ni dia tak spesifik buat satu job je. Dia satu artist yang boleh buat banyak benda. So dia tak semestinya boleh design karakter saja, dan dia pun boleh kena design environment juga, props itu semua. So my main strength is environment. Yeah. And karakter ada buat juga, tapi mainly environment lah.
You love making the background stuff and all that lah. Proses macam mana? Okay, bila you start buat dalam Photoshop, your concept tu, is it being mapped? Is it given to the 3D artist to then create that in 3D ke, atau it becomes like a matte painting of your actual drawing tu, the end result?
Tak. Biasanya environment painting tu, dia satu nak bagi look and feel overall overall product tu lah. So sebelum kita start production, and diorang dah dapat dia punya look and feel dia, okay. So as guide untuk production team untuk buat sama macam,
okay. They build the assets, they make the models, and then they look exactly like concept artists lah. Do you have any advice to the youngsters out there? They want to know how to become a matte painter or environment artist. Ada advice kat orang tak?
Advice. Satu, korang kena jadi passionate lah pasal benda ni. So kena selalu practice, and kena study banyak benda, especially part fundamentals itu kena master. Yeah.
Okay. Right, Ammar, again thank you very much for coming all the way, for being with us today. Guys, this is En Ammar has been here for our workshop today, and he's done some good job. Please look up his YouTube channel or his reference. You just probably Google Ammar and NEONYMOUS.
NEONYMOUS,
Yeah,
yes.
NEONYMOUS, and you probably find it. Yeah. So we will be coming up with more workshops soon. In fact, we have one in April. But please look at our Facebook or our Instagram channel to find out what are the details. So we hope to see you soon. Thank you.